हेलो प्यारे बच्चों, वेलकम टू द सेशन. हाउ आर you all guys? JEEt 2021 we guys are doing so that you guys kill this upcoming JEE 2021. So here we gonna do applications of derivatives and indefinite integration के ऊपर quiz. So here we go guys. My name is Arvind. I am a passer of IIT Roorkee. For the last 5+ years I have been teaching JEE aspirants, and this is the complete schedule which is being followed on the Vedantu JEE channel. Daily at 9 p.m. we do have a class, and also on Wednesday, Monday and Thursday we do have quizzes at 8 p.m. on Vedantu JEE channel. Right? तो 9 p.m. पर आपको कहाँ होना है? हमेशा वेदांतु JEE चैनल पर होना है. Those who already know me, they're gonna hit the like button. Those who don't know me, कुर्सी की पेटी बांध के रखें. और जिन्होंने अब तक वेदांतु JEE को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर लो, because here we teach for free. But if you want to learn live at Vedantu, you can learn with Vedantu Pro subscription, which is one-stop solution for all of your JEE preparation needs, as it covers live interactive classes, test series and analysis, assignments and notes. The content that we guys give at Vedantu, if you do that, you don't need to do any other book, as that content is very much refined, and we take fun visualizations, quizzes and leaderboards to make the classes competitive in nature, and that too interesting. Also, your dual teacher model is followed on the Vedantu platform, so that you can get personal attention. One teacher teaches you and another one clears your doubts. So as rightly said by somebody, here at Vedantu we destroy all of your doubts. So if you want to learn live at Vedantu and you are willing to be a part of this initiative which we guys are doing, and because of this initiative only we were able to produce in the year JEE 2019 7 results out of top 100, you can also learn live with us. In this Vedantu Pro subscription, you're gonna get access to long-term courses. 20+ master teachers will teach you. Whichever teacher suits your way of learning, you can learn with that teacher. In the form of tests and assignments, you're gonna get 10,000 questions. You can choose your batch in Hindi or English, whichever language you want to learn in, and 4,000 hours of live teaching you're gonna get in this. Also, whenever you need to revise, you will get access to crash courses and test series before the examination. Let's say there is some class 11th portion which you haven't done, then for that also you guys can get live chapter wise courses for your revision. If you are an aspirant of JEE 2022, you can take this 12-month subscription which is available at rupees 2800 per month. Don't forget to use the coupon code ASPRO. If you want to try Vedantu, you can try Vedantu at rupees 4,000 only per month. If you are a JEE 2021 aspirant, then I'll recommend that you go ahead with the 6-month subscription which is available at rupees 5200 per month. And if you want to try Vedantu, you can go ahead with this 1-month subscription which is available at 6,000 per month. Also, this year, vPro Lite subscription is launched for droppers, or I should say repeaters. The batch is already started on 21st of September 2020, and these are the master teachers, some amazing master teachers. We're going to form a team so that they can successfully make you clear this examination in the year JEE 2021. And by the way, if you don't know, more than 50% of the people who clears JEE Advanced are repeaters, or I should say droppers, right? Yes, so if you are planning to redefine your preparation, then definitely this is the right course which you must go through it. Now, if you are also seeking to appear in JEE 2021, what is the process? I'll tell you. The link is given in the description box. Go on to that link and click on your grade and target examination, then click on get subscription, and then whichever subscription you want to take, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and then click on proceed to pay. But before that, don't forget to apply the coupon code ASPRO so that you can get discount. So let me give you this question number 1 of today, and let me make some correction over here. The function this is decreasing in the interval. Which of the following is my answer? You have to tell me, guys. Decreasing means f dash of x should be less than or equal to 0. Equality holds at discrete points. This is the concept. The concept for which kind of functions? The concept for decreasing functions is f dash of x should be lesser than or equal to 0. This equality holds at discrete points only, not in an interval. This is the concept. If you know this concept, you can get the answer of this particular problem in a few seconds. So let me write down f of x for everyone out there. F dash x in that scenario will be what? 4x cube minus 4. If you take 4 common, you're going to get something like this. And if you apply a cube minus b cube, you can write a minus b times x square plus x plus 1. Yes. And we know that this expression is always positive only. So if we want to make f dash of x negative, we can write it like this, and this is a quadratic whose a is positive and discriminant is negative. A, that means coefficient of x square is positive and discriminant is negative. So this expression is always positive. Hence, we only need to write down this expression, and this is nothing but minus infinity to 1. That is, B for Bombay is going to be your correct answer. Everybody, so the sole concept involved in this problem is f dash of x should be lesser than or equal to 0, and the equality should hold at a discrete point. In this particular point problem, the equality is holding at a discrete point, that is at x equal to 1 only. Otherwise it is always negative. Hence we're gonna say at x equal to 1 also the function is going to be decreasing. So minus infinity to 1 is going to be the correct answer of this particular problem. Number 1. Number 2, if a quadratic expression is given to me whose a, that is coefficient of x square, is positive and discriminant is negative, then this quadratic expression is always positive. This is some concept which we have learned last year in the chapter quadratic equations. It is a very basic one, so you must know this particular concept, because those chapters which we have learned in class 11th are basics, and their basics is being used in class 12th as well. So the guys who are in class 11th right now, I would like to tell them that if you are preparing for JEE, then don't take class 11th lightly, because if you study in these 2 years, that is in class 11th and class 12th, definitely everything is so easy and you're going to get through this examination with a very good rank if you study in both of these years. The guys who have not gone through the class 11 syllabus yet, I recommend that go through the Vedantu Pro subscription, which is available for you guys, and this will really change your life as it covers all the important concepts as far as your JEE is concerned. Okay, so the correct answer is B for Bombay. How many of you guys have got both the concepts? Reach out to me in the chat box, everyone out there. Got this? Okay, let's go for the question number 2. Now here something very important is written. The radius of a circle is decreasing at this rate. Now, two things are important. Decreasing and the rate. Both are important. Look, radius is decreasing. What is the unit? 2 centimeter per second. So isn't this particular thing should be dr over dt, number 1? Radius is decreasing with respect to time. Look at the unit, centimeter per second. So radius is decreasing with respect to time, hence it has to be dr by dt, number 1. Also, the word decreasing is mentioned. Whenever the word decreasing is mentioned, you take a minus sign. So your dr by dt is going to be minus 2. Once again, let me clarify these 2 points. Whenever a rate is given to us, we need to look at the units involved. So centimeter per second is written, that means it should be dr by dt, because it is the rate of change of radius with respect to time. From unit, I had an idea about this. Number 2, the word decreasing is used, hence we need to put a minus sign. If increasing is used, then we're going to take the plus. Okay? Yes. Okay. Now, area of the circle is what? Area of the circle is nothing but pi r square. Now, If we want to know the rate of decrease of area of circle, and if we look at all the units, it is asking me rate of decrease of area with respect to time only. So we need to calculate dA by dt. That means on the right hand side also we need to differentiate with respect to time. So pi is a constant, we can bring it outside, and differentiation of r square with respect to dt is going to be 2r dr by dt, everyone. If you know, I have told you one chain rule in which I have told you an awesome story by which you will always remember chain rule. मैंने बताया था एक लड़का था जो बाहर घर पे लड़ाई करके आ गया था, वो गली के गुंडे का बच्चा था, वो आया, किस तरीके से रूम का गेट लॉक किया. अगर कोई वेदांतु जेई पर सारे के सारे लेक्चर्स को फॉलो कर रहा है तो चेन रूल उसके लिए बाएं हाथ का खेल हो जाएगा, राइट? ओके, नंबर 1. So here when the radius is 20 centimeter, I need to calculate dA by dt. So put r as 20 and dr by dt as -2. So you're going to get your answer. And also it is asking rate of decrease. And we know that dA by dt should come out to be negative. It is already asking rate of decrease of area of circle. So don't include sign. Whatever is the magnitude, just write that down, because decrease word itself contains minus sign in it. So just write down the magnitude. That is going to be your answer. So pi into 2 into 20 into 2, that is 80 pi is going to be your answer. Yes, everybody, how many of you guys got this? Let me see your responses in the chat box. C for Calcutta is the correct answer for the question. Now, one more question, and also a very important concept, because JEE is asking questions based on this concept very frequently. What are the concepts? Length of tangent, length of normal. 4 things are there. Length of subtangent, and the 4th one is length of subnormal. These 4 things are very important, and these are nothing but simple formulas which you need to remember so that you can solve all of your questions comfortably. So length of the tangent का formula मैं बता देता हूँ, mod y1 into under root of 1 plus 1 by m square. This is the formula. Okay, you have to use this and you have to find out the correct answer. I'll also give you one way. Let's say you forgot the formula. In that case, how you're going to solve the problem, that also I'll tell you. Don't worry about this. So first, let me write down the point x1 comma y1 at which I'm drawing a tangent. So at x equal to 0 is the tangent given to me. So x1 is nothing but 0. If I put x as 0 in this curve, the value of y I'm going to get is nothing but -1. So my x1 comma y1 is going to be 0 comma -1. Can you guys calculate dy by dx at this particular point 0 comma -1? Yes, let's first calculate dy by dx. This is my dy by dx. If I calculate its value at 0 comma -1, how much it is going to be? Everybody out there, 4. And this particular thing is nothing but my m only. The formula के अंदर जो m है, that is nothing but slope of the tangent at that particular point, that is dy by dx only. And y1 का value you already have as -1. So can you get your answer, guys? Mod of -1 times under root 1 plus 1 by 4 square. And that is going to be your answer. So root 17 by 4 is going to be your answer. That is B for Bombay. Yes. Now, let's say, sir, I forgot this formula. In that case, how are you going to solve the problem? Let me give you method 2. The process is same till that particular thing, slope of tangent at 0 comma -1. It was coming out to be how much? It was coming out to be 4. Yes? Yes. Okay. Can you write down the tangent at that particular point by using slope intercept form, everybody? This is going to be my tangent. Yes or no? Now, find out point on the x-axis. Point where tangent meets x-axis. Now on the x-axis we know y is equal to 0. So if we put y is equal to 0 in this equation, we're going to get 1 is equal to 4x, that is x equal to 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 comma 0 is that point where my tangent will be meeting the x-axis. The distance between 1 by 4 comma 0 and the point where we have drawn the tangent is nothing but my length of tangent only. So just apply distance formula between these 2 points, you're gonna get your answer. Once again, I'm telling you the concept. Can you write down the equation of tangent number 1? Yes, sir. We can write down the equation of tangent because we know the point at which we want to draw the tangent. Hence, we can calculate dy by dx at that point, and we can use slope intercept form to write down the tangent. Now, we need to find this tangent is meeting the x-axis at which point. So at x-axis, y is equal to 0. From that, we can get that particular point's coordinate. 1 by 4 comma 0 it is coming. Now the distance between 1 by 4 comma 0 and the point at which we have drawn the tangent, that is 0 comma minus 1, is nothing but the length of tangent. Understood, everybody? So the answer will be B for Bombay, that is root 17 by 4. Another way is that method, formula based method. Okay, let's do this question. F of x is given to me as this, and I have to consider this particular domain. Okay, then the maximum value of the function is what I need to find out. Now, it is written maximum value of the function. That means I need to find out global maxima. It is a very important thing. Maximum value of the function means overall your function is taking what as the maximum value. That means you need to calculate global maxima. Global maximum is also known as absolute maxima. Alright, what is the process? The process is same. First calculate f dash of x. And put it equal to 0. So if you factorize this, the sum of the roots is 1 and the product of the roots is minus 2. So at x equal to 2 and minus 1, f dash of x is equal to 0 coming. Also, if I consider the boundary points, the boundary points of this interval are nothing but minus 2 and 4. So at these four values of x, calculate the value of function, and at whichever value the maximum value of y is coming, that is going to be my global maxima. Understood what I'm trying to say, everybody? For global maxima, the process says first put f dash of x equal to 0. We have put that one equal to 0, and we have got x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 1, where my first differentiation is equal to 0. Number 1. Number 2, also consider the boundary points. X equal to minus 2 and x equal to 4 are my two boundary points coming. Now at these 4 points, evaluate the value of y. Whichever is giving you the maximum value, that is going to be your global maxima. And it occurs at what value? At whichever value you are getting the maximum value of y, that particular x is going to be your answer in this following problem. So let's evaluate f of 2, f of minus 1, f of minus 2 and f of 4. Just evaluate all these four values. At whichever value of x your function is taking the maximum value, that particular value of x is going to be your answer. So what is the right answer coming? Everybody tell me, how much is f of 2 coming? How much is f of minus 1 coming? How much is f of minus 2 coming? And how much is f of 4 coming? Just do let me know, and that is going to be our answer. मैक्सिमम वैल्यू क्या एफ ऑफ 4 का मैक्सिमम वैल्यू आ रहा है? मेरे हिसाब से एफ ऑफ 4 का ही मैक्सिमम वैल्यू आ रहा होगा, because 4 cube is going to be 64. 64 into 2 is 128. 128 minus 16 into 3, that is 48, minus 48 again plus 5. Is it f of 4 is the maximum value coming out of all these? F of 2, f of minus 1, f of minus 2 and f of 4. That means x equal to 4 is going to be my answer. Yes, absolutely right. x equal to 4 पर maximum value आ रहा है, यानी f of 4 का maximum value आ रहा है, तो x equal to 4 पर maximum यानी कि global value, global maximum value gonna lie. You can see the solution over here as well. F of 4 is coming out to be 37. f of minus 1 is 12, f of 2 is minus 15, and f of minus 2 is coming out to be 1. So the maximum value out of all these 4 points is coming at f of 4. Hence, x equal to 4 is going to be my value where I'll get the maximum value of y. Understood? Alright. Now let's go towards integration ke questions. So let's move in there, everybody out there. Integration of tan x plus cot x. Now, I don't like tan x and cot x coming in my expression. So what I do, let me convert this tan x into sin x by cos x. And this cot x into cos x by sin x. The moment you do, and if you take some LCM, can you guys see that your problem is going to solve somehow? Sin x cos x is going to be the LCM over here. Then over here, sin square x plus cos square x gonna come. And this particular thing is nothing but sin x cos x upon sin square x plus cos square x dx, and sin square x plus cos square x is nothing but 1. So we can write down this entire thing as sin 2x upon 2 dx as well, because if I multiply 2 and 2 in the numerator and denominator, this can be written as sin 2x. Now I think everyone knows how to integrate this particular expression. 1 by 2 we can take outside, and what is the integration of sin 2x? Put 2x as t and then apply the formula. You will be able to get to your answer. Everyone, what is the right answer coming? Tell me. All of you people got this? Any confusion in this part? Feel free to reach out to me. क्या आंसर आ रहा है मुझे सारे के सारे बच्चे बताएंगे. Integration of sin 2x upon 2 dx. We can take 1 by 2 outside, and sin 2x dx is what we need to integrate. So just do that integration. You're gonna get your answer. Yes, so D for Delhi is the correct answer. You guys can see over here. D for Delhi, that is minus cos 2x upon 4 is going to be our answer. Alright, let's do this problem. Before doing this problem, tell me two things. Do you guys know what is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta? Number 1. And number 2, what is the integration of sec theta d theta? If you know these two things, you will be able to solve this question comfortably. The first one is the formula for cos 3 theta, and for the second one, the formula is log of sec theta plus tan theta plus c. So I can rewrite this expression as this. Everybody out there, 4 cos times 3 into theta. Theta is 2x. Compare these two expressions. Theta is 2x. Compare these two expressions. Yes? So cos 3 theta will be what? Cos 3 theta, this 4 won't come. Cos 3 theta will be what? Cos 3 into 2x. So this is nothing but sec 6x dx. And if I am putting 6x as theta, so it's going to be dx over d theta, or I should say dx equal to d theta by 6. Then we can rewrite this problem as sec theta into d theta by 6. 1 by 6 can be taken outside, and then we can use the second formula and our problem will be done. Yes, everyone? So is your answer B for Bombay coming? Yes, B for Bombay is the correct answer. Isn't it easy? Everyone, all of you guys in the chat box, feel free to reach out to me. Isn't it easy, everyone? Yeah? Yes? So there is some slight basic portion of trigonometry which will be used very frequently in integration. So if you are not aware of the integration, if you are not aware of the trigonometry formulas, then guys I recommend कि जिन बच्चों ने क्लास 11th के अंदर trigonometry नहीं पढ़ी थी, उनको integration को थोड़ा सा मास्टर करने के लिए you need those concepts as well, right? And I hope कि आप उन चीजों को करोगे. All right, चलो. This problem I want to leave as homework, but I want to tell you one very important thing, that whenever a sine theta plus b cos theta is written, you have to divide and multiply your expression by under root a square plus b square. You have to divide and multiply your expression by under root a square plus b square. This is one of the very important hint for all the problems which involves a sine theta plus b cos theta. And by the way, this is one of the very favorite expression of JEE walas. This has come earlier in class 11th as well. So based on this, in this equation I can see that a is equal to -1 and b is equal to 1. So under root a square plus b square is going to be nothing but root 2. So multiply this expression by root 2 and multiply and divide this expression by root 2, and then you will be able to solve this question. I have given you the hint. Rest of the thing you have to do on your own. Moving ahead. Let's do this particular problem, guys. If I look at this question, can I identify the differentiation of some particular term is written in multiplication? This root x is coming alone and this particular term is coming alone. This root x is the differentiation of what you have to feel it, and then if you felt this, your question will be solved. If you see, this root x is nothing but the differentiation of this particular thing somehow. If you take t as this, your dt over dx will be what? 3 times 1 by 2 root x. That means you can write down 2 dt by 3 as dx upon root x. Yes or no? Everybody tell me. If you understood this, then your this problem can be written as 1 by t square dt, because dx upon root x, sorry, 2 by 3. Let me bring this 2 by 3 outside. Dx upon root x is 2 by 3 dt, and then 1 upon t square, rest of the thing will become, and I think you know the very basic formula for this, and then you can integrate this. We can use over here x to the power n dx ka formula, because base is variable and power is constant. Whenever base is variable and power is constant, we can use integration of x to the power n dx ka formula to get the correct answer. So the problem will become easy. T to the power -1 upon -1, and t is nothing but 3 root x plus 4. Then you can get your answer as, I think, A option. Yes, definitely A is the correct answer. किस किस का आ गया A answer? जल्दी से मुझे बताना, सारे के सारे बच्चे. I am waiting for your responses. All right, चलो. This one more problem which I want to leave as homework, but I want to give you a quick hint in this. This cot x I don't like, right? So let me convert this cot x into cos x upon sin x. If I do that, and if I take the LCM, I can write down my problem like this, everybody, and it can be rewritten as x sin x upon this particular thing. The moment we have written it like this, now we have to see that this is the differentiation of denominator or not. If yes, your problem is solved in a few seconds. If yes, your problem is solved in a few seconds. Just give it a try. I'm giving you a hint over here. Is x sin x, does x sin x comes in the differentiation of sin x minus x cos x? If yes, your problem will be solved. I have given you a hint. Okay, let's do this problem now. Let's do this problem now. Here in every problem we have seen that multiple times root x is coming. So let's put root x as t. If you do that, dt over dx can be written as 1 by 2 root x. That means dt, 2 dt can be written as dx over root x. Yes? So I can see that this problem can be rewritten as 10 to the power 4t into sec square t into dt into 2. Yes or no? Everybody identify this. This dx upon root x can be written as 2 dt, and at every root x we are putting as t, so 10 to the power 4 t into sec square t into 2 dt. 2 we have taken outside, so we can write down our problem like this. Now the sec square t is the differentiation of 10t only. Yes, everyone. So in this problem we can put tan t as u. So we can see that du over dt will be what? Sec square t. So sec square t dt can be written as du, and this thing is nothing but u to the power 4. So now you can integrate this expression as u to the power 4 du as u to the power 5 by 5. Once you can put u in terms of t, and then you can put t in terms of root x, and that is going to be your final answer. Right? So 2 u to the power 5 upon 5 plus c, number 1. U is nothing but tan t. So 2 tan t to the power 5 upon 5, and t is nothing but root x. So 2 tan root x ka power 5 upon 5 plus c. That means I think C for Calcutta is going to be your answer. Yes, absolutely. All of you guys got this? Okay, if you want to learn live at Vedantu, you can go ahead with this Vedantu Pro subscription, which involves live interactive classes, test series and analysis, assignments and notes. That is at one-stop solution for all of your JEE preparation needs. If you want to learn live at Vedantu, go ahead with this now. Again, I'm telling you, and why I'm telling you is this, because I have been teaching for a very long time now, and what I see is, I have seen very frequently on the Vedantu platform as well that guys come late for studying, and when they start getting the things, they feel like, sir, मैंने पहले मेहनत नहीं करी, अब मैं क्या करूं? तो unnecessarily उन पर burden बढ़ता जाता है, हालांकि उनके अंदर potential है, and I always believe किसी एग्जाम की इतनी औकात नहीं है कि तुम उसे क्लियर नहीं कर सकते. So what you need as of now is this. एक बारी आपको वेदांतु का 1 मंथ का सब्सक्रिप्शन जरूर ट्राई करना चाहिए, ताकि आपको पता लगे कि यहाँ पर किस तरीके से पढ़ाई होती है. अगर आपको ये पढ़ाई में सब कुछ समझ में आता है, यानी कि ये आपके लिए बिल्कुल राइट प्लेस है जो कि आपका एग्जाम क्लियर करवाएगी, तो जल्दी से जल्दी एटलीस्ट 1 मंथ का सब्सक्रिप्शन ले लो और एक बारी पढ़ाई को देखो. अगर आपको लगता है कि हाँ यार यहाँ पर पढ़ाई अच्छी हो रही है, देन ओनली मैं कहूंगा कि आप बड़े सब्सक्रिप्शन की तरफ जाइए. लेकिन अगर आपको आपकी जिंदगी बदलनी है, तो आई एम गिविंग यू दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी कि आप एटलीस्ट 1 महीने का वेदांतु का सब्सक्रिप्शन ट्राई करें, ताकि आपको घर बैठ के भी जेई की प्रिपरेशन कितने अच्छे तरीके से हो सकती है पता चले. By the way, JEE 2019 results के अंदर Vedantu has produced 7 ranks in top 100. So all this is possible because of the awesome content which we guys are delivering, and that too in a very interactive way, so that we can do best for you guys, right? So 20 plus master teachers will be teaching you. Whichever teacher suits your way of learning, you can join that teacher's class. 10,000 questions you will get in the form of tests and assignments. You will get your batch in Hindi or English, whichever language you are comfortable in. Also, when the exams will come near, you don't need to pay separately for crash course and test series. They are also included in this, and chapter wise revision is also available. If you are a 2022 aspirant, then 1 month subscription to try, the fees is 4,000 per month. But if you already know about Vedantu, go ahead with this 12-month subscription, and don't forget to use the coupon code ASPRO before making the payment. Also, if you are a JEE 2021 aspirant, मैं तो कहूँगा कि 6 months का subscription बनता है, which is available at 5200 per month. But if you want to try Vedantu, go ahead with this 1 month subscription, which is available at rupees 6,000 per month. Again, I'm telling you, don't forget to apply the coupon code ASPRO before making the payment, so that you get 20% discount. Also, droppers, दिल छोटा ना करें. जेई में सिलेक्ट होने वाले 50% से ज्यादा बच्चे ड्रॉपर होते हैं. अगर आप ड्रॉप कर रहे हैं और आपकी कमियां जानते हैं आप, तो उन पर इंप्रूव करिए और टीम के साथ बात करिए. ये टीम जो कि ऑसम मास्टर टीचर्स की टीम है, ये आपको जरूर 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 हेल्प करेगी. द बैच इज ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड ऑन 21st of September. Again, if you want to join this, don't forget to use the coupon code ASPRO. The 1 month subscription is available at rupees 7200, 3 months at rupees 2400, and 6 months is available at rupees 4800. The process is, go onto the link which is mentioned in the comment section or in the description box as well. Select your grade and target, then click on get subscription. Choose your subscription: 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and then apply coupon code ASPRO, and then only do the payment. Also join the Vedantu Telegram group, and if you learned something out of this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share across your friends, and subscribe to the Vedantu JEE channel, because here the team of IITians is working day in and day out so that we guys can make your dreams into a reality. See you in the next session. Bye bye. Take care. Love you all.